Connecting your Vizio Smart TV to a Bluetooth device can make a big difference in how you enjoy your entertainment. Whether you're using wireless headphones for private listening or a Bluetooth speaker for better sound. The tricky part is that Bluetooth options on Vizio TVs aren't always obvious, and depending on the model, the settings can be slightly hidden inside the menu. Some users assume their TV doesn't support Bluetooth at all, while others aren't sure where to begin the pairing process. The reality is, if your model supports Bluetooth audio, you can connect your device in just a few simple steps. Once it's paired, your TV will remember the connection and make it easy to reconnect whenever you want, giving you a more flexible and wireless viewing experience. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your Vizio Smart TV and press the menu or settings button on your remote. Step 2. Navigate to sound or audio settings in the menu. Step 3. Look for Bluetooth audio or pairing option and select it. Step 4. Put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. Step 5. Select your device name from the list shown on the TV screen. Step 6. Confirm the connection and wait for it to show as connected.